class. Today we are going to learn 9th standard science part 1, third one topic. Topic name is current electricity. Okay, so see, we will first take some review of previous knowledge and we will start our topic. Already in 8th standard we have learned so many concepts about electricity, and that is electric current, magnet and all. Okay, so that all knowledge is useful here. First question, what is use of electricity in your daily life? Means where do we use electric energy? So at home you can observe so many appliances, TV, fridge, mobile charger, so many things are there at your home, that all things are working on electricity, means electric energy. So electric energy is very useful in our daily life. Okay, so actually energy is the capacity to do work. So electric energy also, because of electric energy only these all appliances work properly, means it is capacity to do work, electric energy also. Okay, so electric energy is nothing but it is an energy which related to the electricity. That's why we call electricity or current electricity. This is means general explanation of our topic. Okay, so first concentrate on title. What is meant by current? Means flow. Okay, it can be water flow, air flow, so that we call flow means current. Water is flowing, air is flowing, so that air current, water current, that we call flow means only current. Electricity means flow of electricity is called electric current. Okay, so again turn this first question, what is use of electricity in your daily life or in your at your home? So that question can be also asked in exam. What are the uses of electric energy, or which appliances to work on electric energy? Okay, so this question you have to write in your class notebook and write down your own answer. Okay, so that we have discussed. Second, see what is meant by electric current. Okay, so we have to concentrate here because it is very important part for 9th standard, 10th standard also. So electric current means flow of electrons. Keep in mind. Flow of electrons means only electric current. How does water flow? So instead of water, what is flow? Which things is flowing here? Electrons. Flow of electrons means electric current. Okay. Now one thing I am telling you. Now see, water or air flow through water flow from surface, mountain, means it requires place. But how does electric current can flow? So to flow electric current, conductor must be there. Okay, now conductor means which things can carry electricity is called conductor. Most of you have seen that different types of conductors. Okay, so I will show you electric conductor also. Electric wire. It is electric conductor. This wire is made up of copper. Copper is metal, iron is metal, aluminum is metal. So like that all metals are conductor of electric current. Okay, keep in mind afterward we will learn that all thing in detail also. Just keep in mind what is meant by electric current. It is the flow of electrons. Now keep in mind again we have learned in 9th standard, 8th standard about electrons, negative charge. Electrons has negative charge, and see just basically I am telling if this is atomic structure. So electrons revolve around the nucleus, and inside the proton and neutrons are present. Correct? So atomic structure is also important to understand electric current. That's why before I have taught in 8th standard. So electrons are revolve around the nucleus, and these electrons only flow from conductor because electrons are moving around the nucleus. And in which material electrons are free, so that material we call conductor. This is C. Now this, if you observe properly, this wire is made up of rubber. So this rubber is bad conductor of electricity because this rubber does not have free electrons. That's why it will not carry electricity. But see this metal, This is steel metal. Okay, so this metal is good conductor of electricity because this metal contains free electrons. Okay, so what do you understand today? What did you understand? Electric current means flow of electrons. So in your notebook you have to write down definition. What is electric current? Write down question. What is electric current? And answer also write down. Electric current is flow of electrons through conductor. Okay, just you can write down electric current is nothing but flow of electrons. That also okay. If you understand flow of electron, then you will understand its unit. What is unit of electric current? Ampere. If you observe properly, see here written that this pin has the capacity of 6 ampere. Here written. You cannot see, but at home, if you observe your mobile charger, so on mobile charger also written ampere. Okay. So see that we will learn afterward in detail. Okay, don't worry. So unit of electric current is ampere. This is unit of electric current, ampere. Okay, and symbol capital A. Don't write small a. Okay, symbol capital A. Means suppose I want to write down from this wire 5 ampere current is passing. So I will write down 5 ampere. So 5 ampere current is passing from this wire. Okay, so in 1 ampere certain electrons are there, so that number I will tell you afterward. Okay, this in 1 ampere this much electrons are. Suppose see pipe also we have seen. In pipe suppose 1 liter water is flowing, so like that in certain in mobile charger, if you observe properly here, see charger current is also written here 1.67 ampere. Okay, so this is charger. One more, this is laptop charger. There also written 2.31 ampere. Okay, so like that, and see you can see that copper metal. So this is copper. Okay, it is conductor and this rubber is bad conductor of electricity. Okay, so in this way we have today we have learned about electric current. Okay, point in this same topic, point is potential difference. So what is meant by potential? See first. Potential means it is a capacity. We are saying the actually potential word is related to the potential energy. Potential energy already we have learned in previous topic also. Energy because of that position of certain thing, that we call potential energy. Potential means only store energy in that particular object. Potential and difference means both for different purpose. Actually we require two things. In a single thing we cannot difference. Suppose this is wire. Okay, if I have this one more wire, see, if you observe, I have two wire, then only I can differentiate between two wire. A single wire I cannot tell, I cannot compare this wire with another. To compare wire we require two wire. See, this is thick wire, this is thin wire, this we call difference. So what is meant by potential difference? Means here observe, here there are two tanks of H2O. H2O means water. Chemical formula of water is H2O. So in this also tank water, in this also tank water. But see, now tell me this tank and this tank, if you compare, means only difference, compare together, then which tank has more water? Completely you can say this, because already you can see it is a huge in size compared to this. This is small, this is a big. Okay, suppose I will rename this tank A tank and this is a B tank. So in A tank more water than compared to the B tank. Correct now? Now tell me, in suppose this water is stored water. Here also store, here also store water. Now tell me which water will be carrying more potential energy? This only, because according to its height. Potential energy is energy also depend upon height. See, its height also more, its height is very less. Water also more, quantity of water is also more here, quantity of water is less. So naturally here potential energy will be more. Now compare both also. If you compare difference, then you will understand which water will flow. Means this water will flow in this tank or this water will flow in this tank. Means A to B or B to A. Then what will be the flow of current of water? Water will flow in this direction, A to B, means higher level to lower level. So that only potential difference we call, where because of this difference only flow is there. Now here you are considering water flow, but in electricity we consider as a flow of electrons. Keep in mind. Electrons. Okay, in electricity we consider flow of electrons. Just to understand here, flow of water. So from A to B tank water will flow because it is higher level and it is lower level. So like that in electricity also, electrons flow always from higher energy level to lower energy level, correct? So this keep in mind. So this, see now here suppose consider this height is suppose 20 meter. This height is suppose 10 meter. Then what is difference? 10 meter difference. So because of 10 meter difference only this water will from A to B tank, this water will flow, correct? So same concept we have to apply in electricity. If there is, now electricity how we will apply? In electricity positive and negative charges are there. If your positive charge, suppose most of the positive charge you consider as a higher level. So positive charge increase, then it will automatically flow toward the negative charge. So this flow of this charge we will call electric current. Okay, electricity or electric current. But what is the potential difference? The amount of energy required to move this charge to here. Means suppose amount of energy is required to flow this water, that we call, see after potential energy convert into kinetic energy, then water will start to flow. So same thing in electric, if you observe properly in electric field, here I have brought some batteries also. So I can show you that batteries also. In this battery two terminals are there. See, consider this, these are two terminals. This is positive, this is negative. Now you will see here is no height same level. This is physical because electric current or electric energy we cannot see. It is stored inside this battery. But inside this battery, if you observe properly, see. Now one more thing I telling you about potential difference or PD. We call shortcut PD. And another name for that voltage or volt. Okay, potential difference means only we call PD, potential difference, and another is volt or voltage. The unit of potential difference is only volt. Okay, and symbol capital V. Keep in mind, symbol of potential difference is capital V, and the unit of potential difference is volt. If you observe now, see, consider current and potential difference or current and voltage, then you will understand here. If you observe here battery, this battery of 12 volt, see I am writing here, 12 volt and 7 ampere. So this battery is having 12 volt, means 12 volt. This height, see, height of positive charge will be 12. So that difference, because of difference only positive charge will flow toward the negative charge. Okay, and see, current is 7 ampere, means this battery will give maximum 7 ampere current. Means more, less you will get, but more than 7 ampere you will not get current from this battery. Okay, so in this concept what we have learned, what is the potential difference? The amount of energy required to carry a unit of positive charge from one place to another place is called potential difference, and the unit of potential difference is volt and symbol is capital V. Okay, so this thing keep in mind.